Nothing like a basket full of puppies for happiness. Look how much room they take up now. Getting ready to weigh them. It'll be the last weigh in because they move around way too much now. But I know they're all happy and healthy and growing good. And their bed's all ready for them. Nice clean paper, their toys, a rug. Ellie's ready to feed them. Huh. They're 2 weeks old today. $3.75 for purple. And there's her eyes. Yeah, you're such a pretty little girl. Oh. Miss White. 2 pounds, 15.5 we'll call her. And look at her pretty little eyes. Yellow is 3 pounds even, we'll call her. Oh, little grunts. See, look at that little baby purple. Trying to climb out already. Taking their first few steps. Okay, we got orange. She is, hang on, stay in there. 215. Hey, let's see your eyes. Say hi to everybody. And we got little Pinky. 211.5. And let's see your beautiful eyes. Aww. Miss Green is last. Uh-oh, you turned off the scale. Three, two. Say hi to everybody. Last little girl. Blue. Blue is 3.8. We'll call Blue 3.8. Come on, let's see your eyes, Blue. There they are. And of course, red. 3.2. See your eyes. Ah, what a cute little boy. He's so handsome. They're all gonna get baths next. And they're all back in there with Mama, having a good time.